The Alentejo is this largest region in Portugal. It takes about a third of the country. And it really has an incredible array of terroirs and climates and influences from Spain, from the ocean, from the Mediterranean, from the mountains. So, Joana, Sandra, do please tell us about Esporão, which is dear to everyone's heart. Esporão is one of the best known brands in the United States, doing extraordinary work in the Alentejo. So I'll ask Sandra Alves to tell us about the wine. She is the chief winemaker.
Thank you so much, Eugene. Thanks so much for this, Christian. Thank you everyone for being here and attending us. And just a very quick note, we are just in the middle of harvest time, so I just leave my Aragonês, that is same as Tempranillo, so we call it Aragonês here in Alentejo. I just leave it just about 1 hour ago in the winery coming in, and I'm here just to talk and to hear my colleagues and all these wonderful presentation from all of you. Thank you so much. So just to reinforce what Eugene was saying, so Alentejo, it's amazing. It's absolutely different from all the other regions. And it's this big area in Portugal, in south of Portugal, and Esporão is just located just in the center of Alentejo. Just two quick notes for you. Well, first, Esporão is a quite old state. In matter of fact, these boundaries were founded in 1267, so it's a quite thing that's some centuries ago, as you can imagine. And another thing, because my time is very short, so another thing, just to let you know that our main concern, in matter of fact, is our biodiversity, our lands, our soils, and this land has to be one of the biggest vineyards, biggest organic certified vineyards in the world, with around 700 hectares certified as organic. Yeah, that's a really great challenge. And now a challenge for you that you are in that side is just try to say this word, Esporão. It's not an easy word, but please, that's your challenge for today. Just try to quite very Portuguese, very hard to say, but it's at the same time very interesting for you to try to say it. So, but today we are talking about our Esporão Reserve. I'm quite sure that you have this bottle with you. And just to let you know that it's a very special wine for us, because it was our first wine that you produce here in state in our winery. The first harvest were in 1985. So, and every year we invite a different artist to label, to show an original work in our label. So it's in some way just to mix and just show the tradition of making wine with heart. So it's everything to do it. And this is a blend. So we use 40% Aragonês. Aragonês is same as Tempranillo. Probably it's easy for you to understand it. We use some Alicante Boucher, some Trincadeira. Trincadeira is a very Portuguese, old-fashioned grape variety. It's amazing. And slightly like 5 to 10% of Cabernet Sauvignon. And please, I would like, because I'm the last one, so I would like to invite you to taste wine as well. Because I really believe that this wine tastes like Alentejo. Alentejo, yes, it's warm.
The Aragonês that Sandra mentioned, that is the Tempranillo. In the north, in the Douro, is called Tinta Roriz. So it's the same grape variety. The
just to be more hard to understand. Yes. That's true.
The Trincadeira that she mentioned is also known in the north as Tinta Amarela. So we have these double names for grapes in Portugal because we feel, right, Sandra, that regionally they express very differently.